shut down. Hardware information, system information, services, processes, drives, Windows, console commands. It's a relatively fast app, except for this part, okay? Alrighty, there we go. We got all the information, the physical memory, all of that good stuff. If you want to go ahead and back out of there. Alrighty, we've got computers. I'm gonna click on that link or that box, and you see there's a demo computer already installed, and then there's my laptop. Okay, then you're just gonna back out of that just for a quick second, Jason, if you could. And you got setup and then exit. Setup, you got your hotkeys, your startup passwords, desktop image quality, cursor sensitivity, connection, start connection with, wipe user data, languages. Alrighty, we're going to back out of that one. Now here's the key with the exit. If you are connected to your computer and you do not exit properly, someone comes behind you and starts getting on your laptop or your desktop and they're searching around and doing stuff, your phone will slow to a crawl, because the connection is still established between the phone and the laptop. So everything that's being done on the laptop or the desktop is actually being done in turn on the phone itself. So it is imperative that you exit correctly. So Jason, if you could go back to desktop for me and click on desktop, and we're going to connect up to the laptop. While he's doing that, I'm going to drag the camera up. Oh, a little too far. Get you to back the phone all the way for a second. As you can see, there is the screenshot of the laptop, which should appear on the phone itself. As you can see, it flashed. Let's bring it up some. A little bit more, Jay. Thank you, sir. And right now it's connecting. Please wait. And there's the exact same screen as on the laptop on my BlackBerry. Like I said, there is a little bit of lag. Right now I'm on Wi-Fi for my phone as well as the laptop. So like I said, there is a little bit of lag. Jason, why don't you scroll around a little bit? Alrighty, you want to click on the start menu at the bottom. I know it's hard to see, but you should be able to zoom by hitting the BB button, and I think it zooms in sectors. Let's see, zoom, and then you got, 1, 2. Let's go in a little bit and see what happens. Alright, there's the bottom corner of the actual laptop screen. Can you click on the start menu for me, Jay? Alrighty, keep it on the camera, there we go. Awesome, there we go. Now, as you can see, the hourglass keeps popping up, and that's because you got multiple things going on. You're accessing remotely and so on and so forth. Jay, leave that up for a second. I want to just show the computer real quick and just show that the same screen is actually up on the laptop as well. Let me fix the contrast. See right there? All right, Jay, you want to put the phone back in up a little bit for me? All right. Let me just see here. Okay. Alrighty, basically what you're going to do now, Jay, is if you could exit out of that screen for me. Actually, you know what? Yeah, there you go. Now, just leave it right there and just let me mess around with the laptop a little bit. Actually, could you mess around with the laptop just so we can show that the connection is still established and how it slows down? Just open a couple things for me. If you exit improperly, this is what's going to happen. It says, "You sure you want to exit?" We're going to say no. We're just going to close it out. End it. Just end it out. Now, Jason, if you could just do a bunch of stuff, maybe something memory intensive if possible. Oh, now you see the data arrows going nuts, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to start messing around with my BlackBerry while he's doing that. And really, it's not being... There's not really any lag to it. I stand corrected. I know when I did it from... when I tested it with my desktop, it was giving me a lot of lag. So I'm going to go in here and just open RDM back up and see what happens. No. And as you can see, it still hasn't caught up quite. I'm going to zoom out. Oh, see, there's the lag that I was talking about. Full desktop. And as you can see, Jason's pulled up our Nerdberry forums, which we would love for you guys to go and check out. It's www.nerdberry.net/forums, Jason?
Forums without the S.
Forum without the S, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. You see there's the lag that I was talking about. Alright, Jason, let me exit out of this. You want to pull up our site for us? I'm going to exit out properly. If it will let me. There we go. Exit. Again, you saw the computer screen flash a little bit. And we're going to go back in here, and there's our site. Let me just focus back in on the site for a minute. And we're going to zoom in. Alright, let's see here. Alrighty, well that's basically our little introduction to RDM Plus. We appreciate your time, appreciate you guys checking out our videos and our site as well. Again, it's nerdberry.net, where your BlackBerry nerds, a source for all BlackBerry nerds, and anything you need, just come find us. Have a good evening.